Hello everyone, welcome to my math channel. This is Mr. Mahmoud explaining Algebra 2, Chapter 6, Lesson number 9, Solving Logarithmic Equations and Inequalities. And let's begin by this example. Example 1. Solve log x base 8 equals 4 over 3. Means we need the value of x. Solve for x. So this is the original equation. We can transform it into exponential form. We know that 8 is the base and 4 over 3 is the power. So x equals 8 to the power of 4 over 3. Now you can use your calculator to evaluate. Or you can express 8 as 2 to the power of 3 so that you can cancel the 3 with the 3. So it's 2 to the power of 4. And 2 to the power of 4 will give you 16. So the answer x equals 16. Another problem. Log n to the base 27 equals 2 over 3, and we need to know what is the value of n. Is it a, b, c, or d? Try to solve and you will find the answer will be, yes, it's c. Let me show you how. We have here log n to the base 27 equals 2 over 3. And you know that 27 is the base and 2 over 3 is the power. So we can change this form into exponential form. So n equals 27 to the power of 2 over 3. Now you can use calculator to solve this one, or you can express 27 as 3 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 over 3. Now you can cancel this power with this power. So n equals 3 to the power of 2 means n equals 9. So C is an accurate choice. Now, property of equality. If b is a positive number other than 1, then log x to the base b equals log y to the base b if and only if x equals y. Means we can cancel the log with the log and x will be equal to y. So let's try to use this property to solve this problem. We have here log x power 2 to the base 4 equals log negative 6x minus 8 to the base 4 also. And we need to know whether it's a, b, c, or d, which is the value of x, of course. Now you need to find x for the logarithmic equation. So let's try to solve the problem. This is the original equation. We can cancel the log base 4 with log base 4. So we have x to the power of 2 equals negative 6x minus 18. It becomes quadratic, so you must make it equal 0. So it will be x power 2 plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now let's factorize into two brackets. X power 2 will be x by x, and 8 will be 2 times 4 for the sum to be 6. As you know, this must be the product of the two numbers, and this must be the sum of the two numbers. So you must take 2 by 4, or you can use your calculator mod 53 to discover what are the numbers, and it will show you that x should be equal to negative 4 or negative 2. Now for the sensitivity of the log function or len, you must substitute, take the numbers back to the original equation to discover whether both values are acceptable or one of them is refused, or sometimes both are refused. So let's go back and check whether our solutions are okay or not. Let's take the first value, x equals negative 4, put it in the place of x in the original equation, and your question is the left hand side equal to the right hand side or not. For this one, power 2 will cancel the negative, so it becomes 16, log 16 to the base 4. For this one as well, it will be log 16 to the base 4, so the left hand side is really equal to the right hand side. So x equal negative 4, it works. Now for x equals negative 2, also substitute in the place of x. This will be negative 2 to the power of 2 means log 4 to the base 4. This one as well will be log 4 to the base 4, so it works as well. Means the solution really is negative 4 and negative 2. So the answer is C. Now it's your turn to solve. Pause the video and try to choose whether A, B, C or D, and you will find the accurate answer will be A. Let me show you how. You can cancel log base 4 with log base 4, so x power 2 equals x plus 20. Now take x and 20 to the other side. X power 2 minus x minus 20 equal to 0. Let's factor. So you are thinking now of two numbers. Their product will be negative 20 and their sum will be negative 1. So x power 2 will be x times x, and the two numbers are negative 5 and positive 4. So the two brackets, x minus 5, x plus 4. Now x minus 5 will give you x equals 5 as a solution. X plus 4 will give you x equals negative 4 as a solution, and you need to go back and check whether these two values are will satisfy the equation or not. They will satisfy if you check, so really 5 and negative 4 is the accurate answer. Now other property for inequality, if b is greater than 1 and x is greater than 0, so log x to the base b greater than y, then you can transform into exponential x equals b to the power of y. Or if log x to the base b is smaller than y, also you can transform into exponential x smaller than b to the power of y, but you need to pay attention that you have here a lower limit, that x should be greater than 0, because you know that here x is after log and log cannot affect the 0 or a negative number. So now let's solve log x to the base 6 greater than 3. This is the original inequality, so change into the exponential form. So x will be bigger than 6 to the power of 3, and this will be x greater than 216. Means the solution set is x such that x is greater than 216, and if you are using the interval notation, it will be opened at 216 and going to infinity. What is the solution to log x to the base 3 smaller than 2, whether it's A, B, C or D? Pause the video and try to choose, and you will find it B. Let me show you how. We can transform this one into the exponential form, so x will be smaller than 3 to the power of 2, so x is smaller than 9, but we have here x is after the log, so you should know that x is bigger than 0 because log cannot affect 0 or negative number. So we have here lower limit, means if we gather this one with this one, so x should be really between 0 and 9. So B is the accurate solution. Now, property of equality for a logarithmic function. If b is greater than 1 and we have logs on both sides, we can cancel log to the base b with log to the base b, and this happens if x is really greater than y. And if log x to the base b is smaller than log y to the base b, if and only if x is smaller than y, means also you can cancel log base b with log base b. But also you need to pay attention for the possible values for the x and y. So we are solving now this example. Solve log 2x plus 8 to the base 7 is greater than log x plus 5 also to the base 7. So according to the property of inequality, we can cancel log base 7 with log base 7. So 2x plus 8 will be bigger than x plus 5. Now take the x's together, get this number to the other side, and this will give you x is greater than negative 3, because it will be this way. 2x minus x is bigger than 5 minus 8. So 2x minus x, which is x, 5 minus 8, which is negative 3. So x is bigger than negative 3. This is the solution, or if you are going to use interval notation, it will be negative 3 to infinity. Log 2x plus 5 base 7 smaller than log 5x plus 1 base 7. So you need to pay attention, because in the case of smaller than, we used to have a lower limit. So pay attention for this very well. Pause the video and try to choose, and you should find the answer is A. Let me show you how. Following the inequality property, I can cancel log base 7 with log base 7. So 4x plus 5 is smaller than 5x plus 1. Now take x's together and numbers together. So 4x minus 5x is smaller than 1 minus 5, means negative x smaller than negative 4. Now divide by negative 1 for both sides. This becomes x, this will be 4, and the direction of inequality changes. So x is bigger than 4. That's why A is an accurate choice. By this, my dear students, we come to the end of our lesson for today. Till we meet again, goodbye.